Welcome back to Kids Toyland! Today we're going to learn some animal names and some colors. Let's start with the color yellow. Let's put a couple drops in the water. 1, 2, 3. Let's stir it up with our yellow stick. Yellow. Now let's start with the color, go with the color blue. One, 2, 3. Let's stir it with our blue stick. Great job! Blue. Now it's green. Green. 1, 2, 3. Let's make our water green. Great job! Green. Last color, red. Red. 1, 2, 3. Let's make our color red. Oh, what a pretty red. Good job, boys and girls. Now we have yellow, blue, green, and red. Let's start with our first animal, zebra. Black and white zebra. Let's put them in the yellow color. Great job. Now we have a lion. Ooh, lion. Let's put him in the blue color. Good job. Now we have a moose. 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 Let's put him in the red color. Now we have a gorilla. Gorilla. Great job, everybody. Now we have a baby zebra. A baby zebra. Let's put him in the yellow with his mama. Good job. Now we have a baby lion. Lion. Let's put him in the blue color with his daddy. Now we have a baby moose. A baby moose. Let's put him in the red color with his daddy. Now we have a baby gorilla. Baby gorilla. Let's put him in the green with his mama. Great job, boys and girls. We've learned zebra, lion, gorilla, and moose. And the colors yellow, blue, green, and red. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.